Okay, so right now, second part of the repair of this Electrohome. Okay, just ignore my mother talking on the telephone. This needle arrived from Chris. I'm installing it right now. Just put one of the screws in, but I have to put the other. It's very nice. I really love the package. Like they took pride in even the packaging. Electro voice. Then underneath in this little slot there were these papers. This is showing what old cartridges the new one replaces. This is a little how to replace instructions, so that's really cool. This is the old cartridge, by the way. Webster. So anyways, I'm going to install it now and I'll get back to you once I've installed it.